This video guide will help you to remove the adware, which is called GeneralDisplay. GeneralDisplay is the adware that specifically attacks Mac computers. It targets Mac browsers such as Safari, Google Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, and other browsers too. GeneralDisplay adware is from the adload family. It specifically targets Mac computers. Once inside, this particular adware starts displaying the great number of misleading advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. GeneralDisplay adware also may collect some browsing related data and spy on the user's browsing activities. It may also hijack some crucial browser settings such as the default homepage, default search engine, and the new tab. Whether GeneralDisplay works as adware or not depends on various factors. It may depend on the geographical location, IP settings, and other parameters. Anyway, if you have discovered this GeneralDisplay adware on your Mac computer, you should undertake the measures and remove it as soon as you can. So go to your Finder, Applications. When you find this GeneralDisplay on the list, right-click on it and move it to the trash. If you see any other suspicious programs here, get rid of them too. I also recommend that you thoroughly research your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install the program, and begin investigating your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so even the trial mode has got certain free features such as disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Click on Start Combo Scan button. Then the application will begin researching and investigating your computer. You will then see the summary of all the threads which were found during the scan. Combo Cleaner will show you the information about threads, about their exact locations on your system, about the exact names of these threads and how severe they are. Then at the end of the scan, based on that summary, of course you'll be able to remove some threads manually, but I strongly recommend that you upgrade to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected and to keep your Mac always clean and free of any malware.